In this video, we're making a sample board of a hammered textured concrete floor. For this texture, we use a hopper gun, and the product we're using is made to be sprayed from the hopper gun. When doing the hammered texture design, you want to make sure the air is turned up on the hopper gun really high, and you just spray it on as you see here. And the air from the hopper gun is what pushes the product around and gives it that nice hammered texture. And this floor design is real popular right now. And you do want to do multiple coats. This here is our second coat. The color we're using is called Dove Gray on our color chart. The shadowing from the trees doesn't help, but you can see when I zoom in that nice hammered texture that we get. And here's what the final product looks like with the sealer on. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. And as always, have a great day.